Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. Normally I come out with weekly content, but I'm taking a bit of a break this week. But because it is September 2, 2022, I'm going to reveal the winner of my YouTube giveaway contest, as one lucky subscriber is going to be the winner of this gift box of This Little Goat Everything Sauces. Now, just as a reminder, I'm not sponsored by This Little Goat. I'm not sponsored by celebrity chef Stephanie Izard, Weber, or YouTube either. I just thought this would be a nice thank you to my viewers out there for nearly 2 years on YouTube and almost 10,000 subscribers. Now, at the end of this contest period, there ended up being 50 eligible entries. Remember, eligible entries were subscribers who also commented on my most recent Kalbi video, telling me which of these 5 sauces they wanted to try the most. So without further ado, let's pick a winner. So how I did this was I manually entered all eligible comments into a spreadsheet. Now I'll head on over to a random number generator, set the limit to 50, and hit generate. And there you are. The winner is number 49. So going back to my spreadsheet, let's see who number 49 is. And the winner is Gary Sarek Joseph. Congratulations, Gary. You're the winner of this box set. To claim your prize, send an email to chicago.griller@yahoo.com. It'll probably take a couple weeks to get this shipped out to you, but when you do receive it, I hope I have an invite to your next cookout. All that said, thank you for your entries, but more importantly, thank you all for your support and your views these past 2 years on YouTube. It's been a lot of fun, and I have so many more ideas and recipes to share. I should be back with new videos next week, so definitely stay tuned. Thanks as always for watching. Congrats again, Gary. I will see all the rest of you next time. Bye.